Alright, here goes another update. I was playing with the LEDs a little bit. Everything's starting to look pretty good. Of course, the wiring is not permanent yet. I'm just trying to see where all the LEDs go. So now let's test the air management system to see if it's any good. I got this old sparkler from last year sitting around. Let's light it and see how this thing does. Come on, give me two. There we go. Alright, here we go. Ready? See it? I see it. You can't see that? The whole thing's full of smoke.
Yeah,
Right.
you can.
Pouring out the other side over there?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's too thin, can't see it, it's just smoky. That was sick.
I think it works.
I think so.